Alright, so in the last video we created the terrain or topo surface around our house, as well as a building pad to make space for the house to sit on the site. So if we take a look at that in 3D view, here's what we should have now. Alright, the terrain should slope down from the back corner or the west side of the building towards the east side of the building. I'm going to go ahead and close out here in the top right corner of the drawing area. I'm going to right now I only have the site plan open, so I'm going to now add some exterior walls to the house, because at this point we only have those foundation and retaining walls in place. So to do that, I'm going to open up over here in Project Browser O2 entry level. Okay, and you can now see that since we're off the site plan, the topo surface is kind of grayed out. Alright, as well as all the walls, because we have not created any on this level at this point. So I'm going to come up here to the architecture tab, open up the walls tool, come down here underneath Project Browser and look at my properties. We still have the retaining wall selected, and we want to change it now to just a basic 6-inch wall. So scroll until you find that. Up here in our options bar, we want to set the height to go up to 03 roof level. And we're going to make one last change here on the location line. We're going to change that to be the core interior. We're then going to come down here to the south wall at the end point towards the east side and click and just kind of trace out the same shape we traced before. Snap in at our endpoints. We're going to do all three of those walls. Alright. After I have those three complete, I'm going to come up here and click the Modify tab to get out of my wall tool. With that done, I'm going to come back over to Project Browser and I'm going to open up O1 lower level now. And here I'm basically going to repeat what I just did before for this other little set of walls over here on the right. I'm going to choose wall. I'm going to come over to properties. I'm going to make sure it's still the generic 6-inch. And I'm going to make sure that now it goes up to 03 roof again. And I'm going to double check to make sure that the location line is the core face interior still. I'm now going to take this and start here at this end point where we kind of started the first time, and I'm simply just going to go back around and trace this other set of walls, snap into all my endpoints here. There's 2, 3, 4, and 5 endpoints. After that, I'm going to click Modify to get out of that line tool. I want to go ahead and save the project, and we'll go ahead and take a look at that in the default 3D view. And here is what we have.